Card weaving is also called tablet weaving. These cards are really old. I think I got them used about 30 years ago, so who knows how old they are. When I first tried card weaving, I made mine from a deck of cards. That was too much trouble and it takes too long. You can get really good cards for not too much money. The yarn that passes through the cards is the warp yarn. Each card holds 4 strands of yarn. When you rotate the card, you create a twist. So think of a bunch of cards rotating at once. Then a weft yarn is passed through. The weft yarn sets that twist. Then the cards are rotated again. And that twist is set. The cards are threaded with a plan that creates the desired pattern. It's a portable craft, and a long time ago I tied one end to a doorknob and the other around my waist. A lot like what this person is doing here. A lot of people like to use an Inkle loom, and I've seen looms that are made just for card weaving. I found it easiest to tie the project up to my floor loom, so my demonstration is not the setup you'll see in other videos. I'm using a bobbin for my shuttle, which is not exactly traditional either, and I'm packing the weft yarn down with a small shed stick. As I weave, I rotate the cards 4 times towards me, then 4 times away. The 4 rotations towards me create the bottom of the flower shape, and the 4 rotations away create the top. I did a lot of card weaving way back in my 20s, but not since then, and I'm not the greatest card weaver. I wanted to show you how it worked, so I hunted up my cards and I relearned. Down in the description, I have links to videos that can get you on the right path, and where to get some nice cards too. And if you want to learn how an Inkle loom works, watch this video. Happy weaving!